Hey, Sam back here, and in this video I'm going to show you a demo of why we created Videosly and why the software allows you to create viral videos within as little as 5 minutes, maybe less. So you've probably seen all over your Facebook newsfeed videos like this one right here. Some of them are advertising videos, others are posted by random companies such as BuzzFeed, some are posted by very large companies, and others are posted by very small companies as well. You've probably seen videos like this advertising software, advertising e-commerce products, and advertising different ideas, different interesting facts, and they're really quite interesting videos. Often they have text within them, they have a number of viral or just random clips from around the web, sometimes they have memes in them, but they're really interesting and they allow you to read about or find out about a particular idea or something interesting or a particular interesting product or service. A lot of Kickstarters use these as well to advertise their new products that they're looking to launch. Now, as you go through here, what you'll notice is that many of these videos have a massive amount of views, and there's a lot of pages now dedicated to simply producing these types of videos, and there's a really good reason for this. Facebook right now wants people to watch video, way that you can advertise your products or services over Facebook right now. So we got to work and we thought, well, what if we could allow people to create without needing a designer or without having to spend hours, create videos like this, viral videos that could be easily posted to a number of different pages or throughout a number of different places around the web that include text, include a certain idea, and allow people to advertise their products and services really, really easily. And that's why we went to work and created Videosly. Videosly allows you to create these videos within a matter of minutes, and I'm going to show you how it does that right now in this video. Here we are in the software dashboard right now, and you'll see here we've already added a number of videos into this. Now, when you're creating videos, you want to be thinking about what your users or what visitors over Facebook want to see and what your goal is. Is your goal to generate people or send people back to your website, to generate them as leads, make a sale, or is it to increase engagement so more people watch your videos, share your videos, and you get a lot more people seeing your channel, seeing your Facebook page, and seeing your videos online? So what is your goal? Depending on what types of videos you're wanting to create and how you're planning on making money online, this will be different. If you're a consultant to businesses, you might do a combination of the two. So you might actually have some videos you create with the purpose of them going viral to increase the amount of people that you have reached to. And then you might also have other videos where there's call to actions and advertisements about that particular business and their products. If you're in e-commerce, that's also a very good strategy that I've seen used, and also software as well. A lot of people are starting to use this. The disadvantage that they have is they don't have a software like Videosly that allows you to do this very quickly. So what I've done is, to save a bit of time, I've actually gone and searched through Google and found some of the types of articles and information that can work really well for these types of videos. Find interesting facts or fascinating things, crazy facts about life. These types of topics can work really well in creating a video because they grab people's attention over Facebook, and then those people are more likely to watch them till the end, where you either have a call to action, or it means that obviously if they watch them within their newsfeed, if you put other videos out, then it's likely that they'll see those new videos in their newsfeed because they've watched one of your videos in the past. That's how Facebook works. The algorithm will send them it. So you can go through these, you can find interesting facts and create some interesting videos based on some of the topics and articles that are in Google right now. Consulting advice. If you run a consultancy, search for consulting advice, tips, articles, fascinating facts about life. And if you run an e-commerce business, you might start off with interesting things about, t-shirts. Have some little history about t-shirts, and then move that into showcasing one of your new t-shirts. Also, some of the channels on YouTube that do this really well are these top 10 type channels. And if you've seen a top 10 channel doing this, you'll probably, it's probably safe to say that video will work. It's the type of video that will go viral. And what you'll often find is, as you search for these interesting facts, a lot of these videos that people have created for YouTube actually show up in Google. So it means that when you create these videos, you don't only just post them on Facebook, you can also post them to YouTube, and then you've got a chance of ranking and getting more traffic to those videos and to your channel, so you get more viewership through Google as well. So let's take 3 fascinating or interesting facts about money, and we're going to use this to tie it into advertising our website, which advertises a strategy for making money. So let's go and have a look at 12 fun facts right at the top about making money. Now, with the Videosly software, there's two main ways that we can grab content from the internet from an article like this. The first way is I can actually copy the URL while we wait for it to load, and you'll see that my internet's a little bit slow, but if we go here, we can actually paste the blog URL into this part here when we go to create a video. The Videosly software will actually grab all of the content from this article and it will paste it into Videosly so we can choose which content is of interest to us and which content we want to use. The second way that you can do this is you can actually search through some interesting facts that you like the look of. You can then copy, and you'll want to obviously read the articles. For time reasons, I'm not going to read this article, but you'll obviously want to read and make sure that the content is good for your audience. You can actually paste them in here. You can then go ahead and edit that content if you want, and then you can, if you want to, you can then write some more information here. So you could say, if you would like to learn a strategy for generating more side income from a online business, go here now. And then you can put your URL in or whatever, videodomain.com, and then we might put up the very top here, we might say 4 interesting facts about money. And we could have music come in, get people's attention with a really interesting video, something like that, and 4 interesting facts about money, which leads into advertising our page, advertising our website, and all of that. You get the point by now. So we're going to put, this is going to be a make money video. We then click continue, and from there what happens is the software loads up this and it allows us to select them as separate individual slides. So you'll see here we can go through and we can select which slides we want. And you'll also see here that sometimes we'll have a body of text that will be a bit large for a video to handle. And what I mean by that is that you'll see in a moment, but because of the way the software grabs the content, we basically create frames, and a frame can only handle 140 characters, and over that it gets really jumbled, so we don't want that. All right, so we've added in this. It cut off that for some reason. I'm not sure why. There was obviously a space. Maybe it was a typo on my part. But we've got our, we'll just put it as domain.com. We don't need a video domain. Cool. So we've added in our different content. Now, each of these represents a different video slide. Click continue. And then what's going to happen is it's going to load all of these up. Now, this is the editing part of the software, and this is where life gets quite easy. Because this text has already been added into the software, it's already available right here. You can scroll through the different frames if you want to. You can customize any of the text here, edit any of the text, or you can customize a piece of text, and then you can actually apply that change to the entire or all of the video frames. So if you wanted to change the color, for example, to like white or black, and you wanted to apply that to all of the different slides, you could do that in one bulk way. You can also highlight the colors as well. So you can see here we can highlight background colors and we can make our text stand out even more. What we can also do if we want to is we can choose a background color so we can really make our text stand out. And you'll see a lot of videos that actually do this. So as people are following along with the videos, they can actually see what everything looks like. If you've got a situation where you want to edit some text as well, or if you want to remove anything during a video because you don't like it, you can do that as well. Or you can have, if you wanted to, you could go full horizontal with your text and have it appearing down the bottom for each of your slides as well if you wanted to. It really is up to you. Then from there, you can move your slides back and forward if you want to. You can also, which is probably most importantly, add some grabbing video content to grab people's attention. So you can see here if we preview this, 4 interesting facts about money. We can have some music that comes in. We can play the music, see how it sounds. It might be, funky. We want to go with funky, so we can actually select that video. And it will actually add that music in to all of our slides as well. So it grabs people's attention as they go through these videos. We can upload our own video content as well if we want to. So you'll see here that I've actually got some of my own video content here. So we could drag in one of these videos. This is the type of video that would really stand out on Facebook. And we can add that in. We can add our content in as we want to. And we can also customize it, drag it back and forth if we want to. And then when we're ready, we go to the next slide. Now for upgrade users, you've got an option to upgrade, and you've actually got the rights to use 100 different pieces of content we've actually pre-done for you, because it can sometimes be difficult to find stock footage. So we've actually filmed, we actually partnered with a local team here, and we filmed a bunch of really good stock footage that you'll be able to use. So you can actually, if you upgrade to this upgrade, it's in one of the packages within Videosly, you'll have the option to use ours as well. But again, you can upload your own, and we also have a number of free videos that are pre-built into the software, and a number of different connections you can do to stock footage websites and other places around the web where you might be able to find some of these videos. So we're basically going to create a video right now. Because we're talking about money and business, obviously we're going to do more business type slides, and you could also grab some videos from YouTube that are to do with business and to do with money, and you could use those. We'll grab a few of them right now. We've got a few of these added right now, and we're going to add these in and create our video. So basically what we're doing is we're just dragging these in, and we're building out our video right now. Cool, we're down to our last slide. We'll add this one here to finish it off, and we can also preview this as well to see what it's going to look like. What I've done is took a few minutes, and I've gone ahead and I've added in all of the different text and customized it as I want. I've changed some of the videos around so they fit the type of concept that I'm going for, and then from there I have the option to add additional music. There's some other options as well depending on what type of Videosly system you get. Then I can click skip if I want to just go ahead and render this. And now I've got the option to preview this video if I want, so I can preview what it's looking like. Or if I'm ready to go ahead and I'm ready to render the video itself, I can go across and I can actually choose publish. And then what it's going to do is it's going to publish the video, render it fully, and be ready for social media. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. As you can see here, I've added some random videos. I've put myself in there as well. And okay, cool. So publish. And what it's doing now is it's rendering it and it's preparing it, so it's ready now for basically distributing around social media. The video is finished. What you'll see the video is right here. You can see a preview of that video right now, and our video is ready to go. It's ready to distribute. We can download it if we want to. We can copy the video URL and share it. We could add it to YouTube. We can export it to YouTube. We can also, if we wanted to, go ahead, download this, add it to Instagram, add it to YouTube as well. You'll see another video that we're doing at the moment, just rendered as well, so it just appeared in live time as I'm doing this video. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention before is if I click edit and I just go back into the editing interface, this is one part of the software which is really quite cool. You can actually choose if you want to add a top and bottom to this video. This is ideal for Instagram and YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. You'll have probably seen these, like watch this now. And then you can say like 3 must-know facts about business. And then you can use that to grab people's attention over Facebook and Instagram through the newsfeed. These little black columns here really help to increase the amount of viewership you get on your video, and again, they're built for the size of Facebook, so they show up really well in Facebook. If you're just making the video for your website or YouTube, then you would have a video regular like this, and then you click publish. Now, if you wanted to publish like this, you just click publish once you'd actually created this, and the software will publish with those dimensions as well. Cool. I hope this has been educational. You understand, you now understand what videos can do for your business, and hopefully you're excited by the software. You like what it can do. We've definitely enjoyed building it. We look forward to improving it moving forward as well. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll talk to you soon. See you later.